Hi guys, welcome to Colossal Mathematics class. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video. Alright, in today's class we will be talking about the trigonometric ratio. Now when we talk about the trigonometric ratio, we are talking about the sine, the cosine and the tangent. Now we are all familiar, or you've heard of SOHCAHTOA before. Now the SOHCAHTOA are the trigonometric functions. Are you seeing that now? These are the trigonometric functions, while these ones are the what? The inverse function. Are you seeing that? So this cho sha cow is the inverse of SOHCAHTOA. Are you seeing that now? So this is what we are going to be looking into in today's class. Are you following now? We are going to be looking at this in today's class and then understanding what these angles looks like. Alright, so don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video. Now when you have an acute angle like this, like a right angle triangle like this, we know that the longest side is what? Is the hypotenuse. Are you seeing that? The side facing the angle is always the opposite. So that means if I have angle alpha here, if I have angle alpha in this place like this, you see now, that means automatically this one will become the what? The opposite. Are you seeing that now? So any place that is facing the angle is what we refer to as what? As opposite. Are you following that now? Alright, so be familiar with that. And then the third side is the what? Is the adjacent. Now what is so? So if this is our angle, so means sine theta is equal to O here means opposite. Are you seeing that? O means opposite over hypotenuse. Opposite over what? Hypotenuse. Are you seeing that now? That is what it means. Alright, so what is CA? CA means cos theta, and that's what you can see. CA, adjacent hypotenuse. So this is what? Adjacent over what? Over hypotenuse. And then this is tau now. That's tan. Tan means tangent. Are you seeing that? This is the spelling of sine. This sine, then this is cosine. Are you seeing that now? That's the spelling. And I'm doing tangent now. That's tangent. Tangent. Are you seeing that now? That's the spelling. So tan theta, that's the short form. That's equal to what? Opposite. Are you seeing that? Opposite over adjacent. Are you seeing that? Now another thing you must know about tan is that tan is the same thing as what? As sine theta over cos theta. Tan is the same thing as what? Sine theta over what? Over cos theta. Are you seeing that now? Sine theta all over what? Cos theta. It is still the same thing as what? As tan. Why is it the same? If you ask me why is the same, I will tell you. Alright, so let me show you the reason why it is the same. You know, we said it is sine over what? Over cos theta. Now look at it. Let's do that somewhere here. Now if you look at it, we said tan theta is the same thing as what? Sine theta over cos theta. So what is sine theta? This is sine theta. So that's opposite over what? Over hypotenuse. Are you seeing that now? Then this division sign now, divide. So I'll turn it to divide here. What is cos? Cos is what? Adjacent over hypotenuse. So this is what? Adjacent over hypotenuse. Are you seeing that now? Now you know in mathematics division will turn to times. So this will become opposite over hypotenuse times what now? Hypotenuse over what? Over opposite. Are you seeing that now? Over opposite. And that now means that what? what's it called? You can see from here that hypotenuse will cancel hypotenuse. I'm sorry, this is adjacent here, not opposite again. Adjacent. Let me just clean that. So this is over adjacent. So you can see the hypotenuse has cancelled hypotenuse here. What are you left with? Opposite over what? Adjacent. And that's what we have here. Opposite over what? Adjacent. That's why we say that what? Tan theta is the same thing as saying what? Sin theta over what? Over cos theta. You are going to be seeing the reason why it is like that as we proceed. Alright. So now we now have the inverse. We have what now? The inverse. Now for the inverse is cosec. Inverse, the first inverse is what? Is cosec. Are you seeing that? Cosec theta. Are you seeing cosec theta? Now cosec theta is spelled as cosecant. Cosecant, that's the name. Are you seeing that? Well, the next one is called secant, and this one is what is called cotangent. So the first one, which is what? Cosecant. Are you seeing that? That's what? Hypotenuse. Are you seeing that? Hypotenuse over what? Over opposite. So this is what? Hypotenuse over what? Opposite. And that is the same thing as what? 1 over sine theta. Are you seeing that now? 1 over what? 1 over sine theta. How do I say 1 over sine theta? You know that when we say 1 over something, look at it here. When I say 1 over something, like if I say 1 over 3, no, let me not use 1 over 3. Let's say I have A over B. The inverse of A over B will be what? B over A. That is, this one will go up and this one will come down. Are you seeing that? And that's the same thing as what? 1 over what? A over B. You know, this will become what? 1 divided by what? A over what? Over B. Which is the same thing as what? 1 times what? B over A. Which is still what? B over A. Just like I told you here. So when we say 1 over something, it means the inverse. That's why I can say that the inverse of 2 is what? 1 over 2. Are you seeing that now? So you should note that. Alright. So note that. Now let's come back to this side. So we already see our cosec. Now the next one is called what? Sec. Are you seeing that? The next one is called sec theta. Sec theta is secant. This is secant. Are you seeing that? Secant. And that's what you can see, hypotenuse over adjacent. So this is what? Hypotenuse. Are you seeing that? Hypotenuse over what? Over adjacent. And that's the same thing as what? 1 over what? Cos theta. And you can see that your cos theta is what now? Is before cos theta is adjacent up. Are you seeing that? Hypotenuse down. But now it is now what? Hypotenuse up, adjacent down. That is what we call inverse. Are you seeing that now? Alright, the next one now is what we call the cotangent. Cot. It is represented as cot theta. It is called cotangent. Are you seeing that? Cotangent. You can see from the name cotangent, you can already tell that what? That it means the inverse of tan. And that's what? Adjacent. Are you seeing that? Adjacent. Just manage this. Adjacent over what? Over opposite. Are you seeing that now? Adjacent over what? Over opposite. And that's the same thing as what? 1 over what? Tan theta. Are you seeing that now? So these are the few things that we need to know first. So this is the original. So katua, that's the original. Are you seeing that? And then these are the what? Are the inverse. Alright, so let's put that together here. Let's put it together. Let's write the original. So we have the sine theta. Sine theta is what? Opposite over what? Hypotenuse. Are you seeing that now? So these are the trig function. These are the trig, and then we'll have the inverse on this side. So we have the trig sine theta equals what? Opposite over what? Hypotenuse. That is so. And then we have cos theta. I'm writing everything that we've written there back, all the calculations we did there. That's what I'm trying to write back. Cos theta is what? Adjacent over hypotenuse. So you see there now. This adjacent over what? Over hypotenuse. Are you seeing that? Adjacent over hypotenuse. And then we have the what? The tan theta. Tan theta is what now? Toa, opposite over what? Over adjacent. Are you seeing that? And this is represented as what? So ka. Are you seeing that? This is represented as what? As so ka toa, that we are all familiar with. And then we now have the inverse, which the number one is what? Cosec theta. So these are the inverse. Or let's write the inverse with another color. Let's write the inverse with another color so that we can. Let's use red here now. So the inverse, the first one there is what? Is cosec theta, and we say cosec theta is what? 1 over what? Sine theta. So if it is 1 over sine theta, it means opposite will come down, hypotenuse will go up. Are you seeing that now? So that's hypotenuse over what? Opposite. Are you seeing that now? And then we have the next one, which is what? Sec theta. Sec theta, that's what? 1 over what? 1 over cos theta, which is the same thing as what? That's, this will come down, this will go up. So that will be hypotenuse over what now? Over adjacent. Hope you are seeing the way I'm writing of them. And then we now have the last one, which is cot theta. That's cotangent. That's 1 over what? 1 over tan theta. And that's what? This will come down, this will go up. So that will be what? Adjacent over opposite. I seen, and I said that the abbreviation for this one is what? Cow. I seen that is the abbreviation for this particular example that we are looking at, particular function. So this video is for understanding the function. I seen that in the next video I'll be talking about special angle. All right, in the next video I'll be talking about what? Special angle. So don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video, and turn on the notification button so that you'll be notified once I upload the next video. All right, thank you very much for watching, and do have a great day.